Hello, 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 beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Today, we're there with Razor Blade.
Hello,
Jason.
Because I say hello, things are the meme.
We're there with Jason from Razor Blade TV. Go to his YouTube channel and check out his movies. Him dropped something when? Last 2 weeks. So check it out if you're not check it out yet. I think that was what was it, babe?
The movie name?
Yeah.
Ex-Girlfriend.
Ex-Girlfriend. So go and check it out.
Definitely.
But in today's video, I'll be putting Jason in the hot seat. Now, normally I will let you guys interact, you know, on Instagram for send me question for ask. But this time around, I want to ask these questions. So I came up with my questions. I'm gonna ask him because these are questions that I've never asked him before. I just want to ask him questions I never asked him before. Because I want to know what's up, what's happening, where I think. So, babe, I want 100% honesty. I'm not going to take no offense. And I'm not going to use it back on you. Whatever you say to me, I want to use it back. Don't, guys, me not going to use it back on Uno, not going to use it back on him.
You say you're not going to use it back?
Don't promise that we're not use it back on him. Right? Good. Anyways, let us get right into it. Right into it. Wait. What my question am there? Okay, ready. Me ever ask if you do something for me and you grumble behind my back?
Yeah.
I do. What?
I have to say why?
No, like what? I know.
Can I give an example? Alright. So you walk through the back door, which, you know, the fridge there, the back door.
Yeah.
Come in the room. Lie down. Looking at me eye. Babe, can you go get me some water? Of course, me I go grumble because you just pass the fridge.
Okay. Understandable. You know what? Mr. Mama, you're honesty, so not a problem.
Are you big already?
No. I'm not upset. I just want to know these stuff. That's why I'm never beg enough. You know, send me the question them. Have you ever looked at me and be like, damn, she's really not my type?
Never. Not even once. Not even for a second. Even if you do something I'm pissed off, I'm a big Sam, I can't bother, you know. It was never that you're not my type. You're my type, but just can't bother some type with your foolishness.
Never ask you that. Just kidding.
Like no.
Alright guys, I had to mute the original question because I was all over the place. But basically I did ask him if he ever vented to another female about arguments that we had. So yeah.
So, let me see if this code. I have a best friend as female. Me and her best friend since high school. I ask her what situation hypothetically. Just to make sure say. Like, I wonder if I'm wrong in that situation, which I feel like I did kind of wrong, I feel like you did wrong. So it wasn't that thing where I'm sure I'm wrong, because I would have asked about it.
Okay.
So, I did ask her, I said, you feel like, no, I didn't even ask her for solutions too. Because I say, I have that issue, yeah. I wonder if you could have suggested something to me for help me with dealing with this, because I feel like me at the fault at somewhat. So, if that count, yeah.
Okay, you want to turn off the car because I feel like your camera jerk up.
Okay.
Okay. Alright guys. Windows down. So now I got your little car pass. Okay. So you ever feel like you don't love me no more? Like you don't love me like how you used to love me before, but you don't know how to tell me?
No, but I feel like you think that I do.
Do what?
I feel like you think I love you less or something because you always ask.
I ask you, but I not ask you another way, like how I just ask you.
No, I know you ask me. So, if you don't know how much answer or how much times I give you different answers, but what I can say is, love is a thing where if you love somebody, let's use a number, even though it's not really like this, but let's use a number. If I loved you 7% last year, it can never be 7 love you 7% now. It's either I'm going to love you less or more.
Yeah, and that's what I want to know.
I love you more every day.
Why?
Because we are growing together, babe. Love is growing. We are move forward. We have a lot to be grateful for. Also, of course, the love now go show like when me just meet you. We in 6-7 years now. The puppy love stage pass. How long now?
Alright. Okay. You ever sit down and think to yourself like, We should have even moved in with that girl here, like.
When you piss me off.
Oh, so you thought that before?
It came to my mind and I may think it came to me. What do you?
So you think that already?
Yeah, I feel like I'm not answer no more.
No, just asking you a question here. So basically you're saying, so you come to you and say, boy, I should even move in with that girl there.
When I was pissed off, babe.
Okay.
People say or think anything when I'm pissed.
Okay. Okay. So you ever hide behind my back and eat because you just think say me go make you some if me see her eating?
No, enough time I want to do it though.
Why though?
No, because them things gonna come to me when I want to be petty back for something you do. I've never felt like I'm supposed to be mean to you purposely. Never. If me have something like, and you are probably the first person who show me this too. In the world, and as a girl when I talk to, like, anything we have for you, it always be for me. Me see you go road millions of times, and no matter how I say, to you in the yard, say, no, I don't want no more of this, you would go by. Me never see you go road and not care about something for me, ever. And no matter how much me tell us you don't need to, whatever is yours are always mine. I don't know why, but you help me know, say, I saw things for go.
Okay.
Yes, me so, yeah.
Alright. You ever see me eat my dinner or eat in general, but me no see say you see me and you just say, Humba, she greedy.
No, me gonna say, yo, she hungry, you know. Also, yo, I don't know if it can be say it's because we're in love. Cause you know when you're in love, you know, some things will not be cute or probably not that cute or whatever it cute you. Baby, I don't know how you do your mouth when you eat, but bro, if me see you eat, me hungry and me see you start eat or me see you eat, me just feel like to stop and watch you. I don't know how, yo, me can give several instances, but me I can remind you just two things. I remember the first time you eat around me when we just start talk. I remember where you eat and me see you go so.
Me still eat like that?
No, me just remember about it. So me just know say, you never there pretend but you there be dainty. But when you eat now, me see you chew, babe, you chew like, you're decent, you know. You know like how you give me food and then by the time you sit down and eat yours, you be like, baby, done already? None of you that. Neat and fine.
You ever tell me say, you dip on your way home, but you never really dip on your way home?
Yeah, if you comfort you.
Why you do that?
Because me know say, especially like when me there do even the movie them, sometimes I come home late. So, enough time you say, babe, you so come, and that you never ask me, so what me there, you know. Unless, that probably would be your second question, is always, baby, so come.
Yeah, I always say, baby,
and
soon
it no matter if I go Savannah Lamar, you know, call and say, babe, which part you there? Baby, so come. So, I know that I tone for say, anyway, there, me ready for you now. So, but just say, me so come and then me just
oh,
gas
so
it.
me know if you do now then.
No, me just gas it because...
You teach me a valuable lesson then. So now me I go just say, me know me I go say, alright.
Wait, you're not supposed to use nothing like this video and judge me. You just said
No,
that in the intro.
I'm not going to do that.
If you change nothing,
No, me not do that.
me not do about no more of them video, you lie.
Ever smell me and not say a word? Me I talk
Smell it
about,
and not say a word, what do you mean?
like you know, tell me. My unpleasant odor. Me I talk about like arm.
And I'm gonna tell you,
Yeah, my head.
First thing
any little frownsy scent.
first thing first, I don't know, probably I'm me the man who complimented the most about that. You always smell good. I mean, I talk about evil just when you baby, I mean like right through. I don't know, when you open your mouth and talk to me, it smells so good. So, it hardly be a time when me ever smell you and you smell different. The few times you ever smell different, I told you. And we laughed about it. I know you remember that.
Yeah, but we're not going to talk about what occasion.
I thought we was talking the truth.
Yeah, it's okay.
You
I remember.
in the hot seat, you know, tell me.
No.
I look at me need to put you in a hot seat.
Okay, if you want to, but yeah, guys, let me tell you, I have to
If
just take
15 person comment below say them they watch the movie, and see the comments under the movie, then me put back Angel in a hot seat. If 15.
You ever feel like you want to live alone?
Not really. Not really, because really and truly, how would I put this now? It's too late for that.
Oh, but me think you did regret living with me when we argue.
When we argue,
So you ever
Okay,
want
alright,
to
let me
live
put you back in the
alone?
hot seat for one question for sure you can manage this I eat.
Yeah.
When we argue, which one of us says the most things that we don't mean out of anger?
Is it? My nose itching. What did you say? Me.
Part B, part B, I'm not asking no more. Part B, oh, yes.
Alright, ask me.
No, I'm not want to ask you.
No, man, ask you, Jay.
Lady, come with the question then.
Son, gone down, you know, guys, so I have to hurry up. So, but me not hear your answer though. What your answer say?
Why question again?
If you ever feel like you want to live alone. Okay. This is a very good question. Have you ever questioned if I'll be a good mother to your kids? I'll be a good mom.
That should even be a thing.
It's just a question.
I say this to you every single chance I get. I'm not settle down with a girl if I don't feel like I can be a mother to my kids. None. I'm not settle just for the relationship. I have to see future mom, future wife. Future wife only? No. Future mom. That's my opinion. I'm not settling if I can't see you be a mother. Because what I settle for? Exactly. I'm never ever. If we argue,
what made it not?
Listen, if we argue, that will never come up as a petty statement because I never ever.
Okay, but what made you not?
The way you deal with your sisters and anybody's kids.
Yeah. Hi.
Jaja, your video done after this?
One last question.
Yeah, man, give me 1 minute. We just want you to ask one last question. 1 minute.
Alright.
She ask me one last question and I come. Alright.
You ever yet sit down and wonder if me ever cheat on you? Guys, I'm not hearing. So you never sit down and wonder?
Yeah, no.
So you trust me that much?
I trust you, and then also it's part of being understanding in our life. Man, I have so much to do, I don't sit down and worry about them stuff.
Alright, the last question, guys. So you know we have arguments. Yes, guys, we do have arguments. You ever yet sit down and feel like, say, the few stuff them what we seriously argued about, you ever sit down and be like, yo, she never really get over what we did argue about?
All the time.
And she'll probably, okay, all the time. And the next part of the question, and she'll probably get up and leave one day because of those stuff.
I don't think so far, but I think you could though. If you question it, you could. Yeah, you could. Because something where you argue over, if you argue over something where you say you're over, it simply means you're not over it. You just think you're over it, or you're just saying you're over it. So it's bothering you, so you could leave because of it. It's a discomfort.
Just to reassure you though, I've forgiven you, and I hope you forgive me, because he's not always the bad guy. Me at fault sometimes. I am happy to say we are past them, but maybe just want to ask me if he feel like me not fully forgiven, because I've never asked him. Most of them question here, I've never asked you know that?
Yeah, I know. I'm glad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So me not get up and nang him, but them things there. So I just use the app. Go and take a picture with him, babe. Not make him wait no longer. So I'm just using the opportunity to ask him if you guys want to see a part 2 with questions you want me to ask him for put him in the hot seat. Let me know, comment below, and then I'll put a poll on Instagram. Oh, they're so cute. I'll put a poll on Instagram, and then you guys can ask question where you don't want to see me put him in the hot seat with, but you just want to know them little stuff here. You know, your partner did together for so long, you just want to see how them, you know, really kind of, I don't really want to know how him think, but I just want to know if him do them little things there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'm not sure when I'll be able to post this video, because guys, I've been so busy. Like we'll get a lot of, alright, bye. We'll get a lot of stuff done, and you guys will see soon. But just know I've been busy, Jason been busy. We just do look up and down. So that's what's happening. Thank you guys for always understanding that, you know, we're gonna get busy and we're gonna have stuff to do. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me. Road to 100k. Bye guys.